Walk straight and keep walking until you stop at a good distance to turn. Once you've turned, continue walking, but as you walk, observe nature and just soak your environment in. Look around and try and find familiar objects, familiar things, familiar faces. As you look around, focus on something new.
Hello, 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 hello. 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 Hello, hello.
Try and find something that you haven't seen before. Then, once you've done that, continue to walk and move forward. And once you move forward, turn it within good distance forward. And once you've reached the first door, get inside. Once you're inside, observe again and just soak in the sound that you hear. As you observe, continue to walk forward. Move forward, look around, and continue to walk. Don't turn anywhere, just walk. Once you've reached the open space area within the VA building, turn and walk inside. As you walk, listen to the sound. Soak in all the words, all the sounds, and just listen. Soak in all the words, all the sounds, and just listen. Now, walk out the same way you came in. Continue to walk forward, but this time, turn right until you faced the door in front of you. Open the door and walk upstairs. And once you've reached the second landing, open that door and turn to your right and walk down the hallway. Once you've reached the 4D classroom, walk inside and just sit and listen again. And while you're listening, observe. Observe the noises, the sounds that you hear. And